Hello children, hope you all are well and healthy. Today we are going to do maths revision. It is of class 3, subject is maths and the chapter name is multiplication. And I am Shilpa Dobaria. You have already learned the whole chapter of multiplication through previous videos. But today let's once again revise it. In today's video, we are revising the 3 topics of multiplication, and that is multiplication facts. We can also say as properties of multiplication. Second is multiplying by 10, 100 and 1000. And the third topic is word problems. So let's learn and understand each topic in detail. Here we go with first topic, and that is multiplication facts. Children, there are some facts or properties which is very important to know about it. Fact number 1. Numbers can be multiplied in any order. The product will remain the same. It means we can change the order of given number, but the answer will remain same. Let's see some example. 3 4s is 12, that we all know. But if we change the order, that is 4 multiply 3 is also 12. So the answer of 3 4s and 4 3s is same. That's why 3 4s is equal to 4 3s. Now see the other example. Here we have to multiply 3 number. 11 multiply 5 multiply 1. So first we will do 11 5s. 11 5s is 55. Now we will multiply with 1. So the answer will be 55 1s 55. Now let's change the group in this. First we will do 5 1s. 11 we will bring down same as, and 5 1s is 5. Now 11 5s, the answer will be 55. Here you can see both the answers are same. We got the same answer, and that is 55. Fact number 2. When a number is multiplied by 1, the product is the number itself. It means when you multiply any number by 1, the answer will always the same number. First have a look on the table of 1. 1 1s 1, 1 2s 2, 1 3s 3, 1 4s 4, 1 5s 5, 1 6s 6, 1 7s 7, 1 8s 8, 1 9s 9 and 1 10s 10. In this table we can see that the answer stays the same as the other number. Now let's see some more example. 1 9s 9. 44 1s 44. We have learned in fact number 1 that if we change the order, then also the answer remains the same. So if you write 1 multiply 44, the answer is 44, and 44 1s is also 44. 213 multiply 1 is 213. 1 multiply 1000 is 1000. So children, always remember, when you multiply any number by 1, the answer will be the number itself. Fact number 3. When a number is multiplied by 0, the product is always 0, which means when you multiply any number by 0, the answer will be 0. Let's have a look the table of 0. 0 ones are 0, 0 twos are 0, 0 threes are 0, 0 fours are 0, 0 fives are 0, 0 six are 0, 0 sevens are 0, 0 eights are 0, 0 nines are 0 and 0 tens are 0. In this table we can see that all answers are 0. Let's see the example also. 0 fours are 0, 27 zeros are 0, 0 19s are 0, 864 multiply 0 is also 0. Whichever number you multiply by 0, the answer is 0 only. Now, our second topic is multiplying by 10, 100 and 1000. First, let's start with multiplication by 10. Children, when we multiply any number by 10, the product or answer is the number with 1 0 to its right side. Let's see the example. Here we are multiplying 8 and 10. 8 tens are, it means 8 multiply 1 followed by 0. So 8 ones is 8 and it is followed by 0. So it becomes 80. Second example. 62 multiply 10 means 62 multiply 1 followed by 0. 62 ones is 62 and it is followed by 0. So the answer is 62 0 means 620. Now multiplication by 100. When we multiply any number by 100, the product is the number with 2 zeros to its right. Now in this we have to add 2 zeros. Example 1. 3 multiply 100. 3 multiply 1 followed by 2 0. So 3 ones is 3 followed by 2 0. It becomes 300. Example 2. 91 multiply 100. So 91 multiply 1 followed by 2 0. 91 ones are 91 followed by 2 0. So 91 and 2 0. It becomes 9100. Third is multiplication by thousands. We have to multiply any number by 1000. The answer is the number with 3 zeros to its right. That means adding 3 zeros with the number. Example 1. 2 multiply 1000. Here 2 multiply 1 followed by 3 0. So 2 ones is 2 following by 3 0. So it has become 2000. Second example. 10 multiply 1000. So 10 ones are followed by 3 0. 10 ones is 10 followed by 3 0. So it has become 10,000. Now our third topic is word problem. It also referred to as story problems as it involve a narration of some shorts. Our first question is, we ordered 211 pizzas. Each pizza has 8 slices. How many slices of pizza are there altogether? Here we have to give a number of slices in one pizza and we have to find total slices in 211 pizza. So let's start the sum. Our first sentence of the question is, we ordered 211 pizza. Means number of pizzas. How many number of pizzas do we have? It's 211. Our second sentence is, Each pizza has 8 slices. It means number of slices in one pizza, and that is 8. Now what we have to find? We have to find total number of slices, and this we can find by multiplying 211 and 8. So let's do sums on a side. We will start from the ones place, and we have to take the table of 8. 8 ones are 8. Again 8 ones are 8. Now 8 twos are is 16. So we got the answer 1688. Now the final answer. Read the last sentence of the question. How many slices of pizza are there altogether? So the answer will be, there are 1688 slices of pizza. Now the second question. Mohan read 4 chapters in his book on Tuesday. Each chapter had 24 pages in it. How many pages did Mohan read on Tuesday? Here number of chapters are given, and that is 4. And number of pages in one chapter is 24. Now we have to find total number of pages. So we will multiply 24 and 4. Let's do the sums. In this we are going to take the table of 4, and let's start from the ones place. 4 fours is 16. Now we will not write 16 together. We will carry 1 to the next number, that is above 2, and 6 we will write down. Now we will multiply 4 with next number, that is 2. So 4 twos is 8, but we are having 1 as a carry, so we will plus it. 4 twos are 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. So the answer we got is 96. Now final answer. Our final sentence was, how many pages did Mohan read on Tuesday? Answer is, Mohan read 96 pages on Tuesday. Now third question. There are 15 balloons in a packet. How many balloons will be there in 32 such packets? Here number of packets are 32. Number of balloons in one packet is 15, and we have to find total number of balloons by multiplying 32 and 15. Here we are having 2-digit number. So first we will start with ones place, and that is 5. First multiply 5 with 32 and then 1 with 32. So start 5 twos are 10. So 1 will be carry forward and 0 we will write down. 5 threes is 15. 15 plus 1 is carry. So 15 plus 1 is 16. So write it down 16. Now before starting second number, we have to cut the carry and write 1 0 down, because 1 is in tens place. So we have to add 1 0 first. Now start with the 1 table. 1 twos are 2. 1 threes are 3. Now we are having 2 answers. So these 2 answers we are going to add it. 0 plus 0 is 0. 6 plus 2 is 8. 1 plus 3 is 4. So we got the answer 480. Here our final answer is, there will be 480 balloons in 32 packets. So children, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.